So a quick video for you. I often get asked, how do you get rid of the stretch marks, especially when you have diastasis and you shrink that tummy? You are going to see that stretch mark much more and some loose skin. So what I do, I have a routine that I shared before, is that I use oil, and I use bio oil. You can use any oil like coconut oil or like olive oil, and then I use a dry brush. Literally, I got this dry brush from Amazon for like maybe $10 or so, and then I would dry brush it. So I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna demonstrate to you how I do this. So I put a dab up some oils, and then I just rub it. More the merrier, it doesn't matter. I used to have really bad stretch marks, because as you know, I lost 35 pounds, and then also lost quite a bit of that bulging as of my tummy, so that loose skin, and you can see I have a lot of that, and I just tug it into my pants, and which is fine, but these parts you still see it. So what I do is I use this dry brush. It's hard, harsh, but not too harsh. So I won't do this every day. I would do this maybe 4 or 5 times a week. You can try to do it every day and see if you can tolerate it, and if you can, then that's great. If not, and if you feel like it is bumping, it's like red a lot, and you don't feel comfortable, then stop. Do it like just do it every other day. So what I do here is, you see this stretch marks like dangling down here. So what I do is I stretch it, like I would brush it away this way, I would brush this away this way, and here you see this is like drooping down. So I would brush it up, right? I would brush it up so that it's going upward, because if I'm brushing it down, then I'm just dragging the skin down. That's not gonna work. I'll brush it up, and then I'll brush it this way, so that, and the one here, I'll just brush it down here, right? I'll just brush it down here, so it's like tucked into my pants, so I won't see it. So I just keep going like that. So I just brush it, use the oil, and if you at any points you feel like you need to add some oil, be my guest, because sometimes I would brush it this area too, so I didn't put any here. So I would rub it here, I would rub it here. Yeah. Okay, Jordan. And then so you can just brush it like that, just brush it upward. You can use this. So literally you can just do this while you're watching TV, or like you're standing around, and then, or like even at your desk, right? And then just brush it for maybe 2 to 3 minutes. That's more than enough. 2 to 3 minutes. I don't really have like a particular like how many reps. I just kind of go all over the places, and then you can see that I'm just dragging the skin over, helping the dry brush to dry brush it away from it, so that it will help me to bring these skins over here, right? So then this looks tightened. So if I'm pulling it up, so that's why you see a lot of those models, they bring the boobs up like that, so then they can bring the skin up, right? So then they can look good, right? Looks like, oh, they have a really good stomach. And if I if I put this in, and then you see like, wow, she got good looking, like no cellulite kind of tummy, right? But that's not the case, because if I'm like just letting it fall, would just strip down. So it really depends. I had a really bad case, and I think people thought I was like pregnant with twins, and if your case is not as bad as I am, so this trick was simply gonna save you like so much money from like all those like cream and stuff like that. This is $10 and some oil, and that's all you need. And I would recommend taking collagen supplement. That's the only thing I recommend, like for supplement wise, it would be a collagen supplement. So then you can repair that skin connective tissues, and also help you strengthen your core tissues and muscles, and just so good for our hair, for nails, for everything, and for our face, of course, right? So yeah, you just keep going like this, keep dragging. And if you're interested, I do have like a 7 months transformation video. I did that probably like beginning of 2019, I think. I can't remember, but I can link it up, and then you can see that difference from like the day one. You can see, wow, like my stomach, it was just really wrinkly, and then now it's I gotten a lot better. I haven't been as consistent the last year because just I forgot, but once you get into the groove of brushing it, you like it, you like that feeling, and it's very gentle, it's not harsh or rough on you. All right, talk to you later.